Alright, we have been shooting this thing for like the past 10 minutes, and we're gonna ID it up. Alright, get the fuck out of here. So everything is tier 5 is the reason for the
Yep,
base
it's
lag.
immortal because the one that's attached to the actual thing is not
Can,
blowing.
Unbreakable now.
can you, oh
Yep.
god.
Oh no, you need the /rec command,
Yep.
and that's.
Is it gonna kill every single thing in
Does
the
rec even
locker?
work?
No, it's not even in it.
Oh
Oh
my god! You know,
god.
Theodos, this is going to corrupt your base bit by bit.
Yeah, that's already
It'll
corrupted
start
the entire
turning.
floor.
Yeah, it will start to turn stuff invisible next.
My entire floor is already corrupted. So we salvage a sign, it gives it a wardrobe. We salvage a bed, it gives it a vault door.
Ultimate dupe glitch.
Can you kill that? Alright, time for the bedroll. No damage at all, no damage, no damage. See, there's no damage at all. Oh god, our entire base is cursed. So you see, Twig, our entire base is
So
cursed.
Theodos, you know when I was telling you for the past 2 days you've got a glitched locker somewhere in your base, and you said no, you don't.
I said yes, I didn't say no.
Oh. Well, I told you so.
Alright, Gene, I don't think we can't do anything about it, so you might as well just. Oh my god, what the hell?
Did you just
Did you just swipe
did you
his
just
inventory?
clear everything you had? That'll have taken all your clothes.
Yep.
Well done.
You're a
This
very
is just
nice
a new
bald looking
character.
man. You're a very nice bald looking man.
It's a new character. I was just running around in God mode anyway.
Right, I'm gonna shout at Blue Jay saying you need the /rec, and I'm gonna see if I can manage to update the old /rec plugin because I don't think it works with new Rocket. However, I'm gonna try it in my single player test world.
Can you move it IDs? It's gonna scare people.
Actually, are you able to move it in the editor like far, far, far away?
Yep,
Oh,
I should be able to.
yeah, try to admin move it.
Give
Yeah.
that a go. But
Admin-
sometimes the server will deny admin movement, but now since Nelson updated the admin movement in the most recent update, servers will now bounce it back to your client.
Move it to the ocean. Drown it.
I think did you press Shift F5 again?
Come on.
Twig minus 4 ban
Work
tier
for me,
5 in the
motherfucker.
base.
That's it.
No.
No, it is.
No, it isn't.
Press Shift F1. Okay, now hold right click and move.
There we go.
Yeah. Shift F1
Yeah.
basically toggles between player control. That's it to your left.
Alright. Fucking. Which one is it again?
Shift
F6.
F6. F6. F7 is highlight
this
player
bedroll
names.
is doomed.
Okay, now let go. Let go and see if it actually moves it.
So is that locker.
Yeah, well, it did move it.
Deselect. Diodos, has it moved on your screen?
Yep, the ID's moving. I mean,
Okay, cool.
Both of them are moving.
Literally, where you shove that somewhere that you can come back to later.
Ah.
Diodos,
Really?
you're not going to get the contents of that back.
Oh, it's not mine, so don't worry.
Whose is it?
I don't even know. Can you
Fuck
do
me.
/P? Like, see who's the
Honestly,
owner?
no. If you select them both, Gene, hold the Shift key. You could select both of them. All right, and then just fly somewhere away, and you can press E on the ground, and it'll tell. You just
That's
literally grab
bad.
all of Tao's base.
So alright, this locker, this tier 5 lockers is near Vasily rooms. So whoever lost it is glitching our entire base, so we have to move it away. It's for the greater good. So G's gonna move it somewhere we can retrieve it. So I'll contact him when it is fixed. So yeah.
Oh, I think you can use the scroll wheel to increase the travel speed. Scroll forwards and that.
Just gonna put this out here first.
Where do you go? Where did it go? What do you throw? What do you bring?
He's literally about to chuck it into the lake.
Where the
Oh.
fuck am I gonna go with this thing?
Beneath oil rig, because at the end of the day, if anyone's building there, they shouldn't be. Actually, no, that'll start bugging out massively. Try that weird island to.
Oh, that
Yeah. That weird island near the oil rig.
That's where
Sand base is.
that's where Saints were.
Oh well, they're not there anymore. They're without.
Yeah, they moved there, yes.
Yeah, but that's also where someone might want to build again, 'cause it's a pretty good base location. Where the fuck?
Next to tower
Alright,
base? I don't
let's
think so.
think over there.
If you can get in render distance, go down and see if you're actually still moving it. Because I don't think you're within. Oh my god, that's the whole tower base.
Did I fucking select everything again? Piece
Have
of
you
shit.
lost? Have you lost the locker? We can't see it anymore. Just click off it to deselect it.
Oh god.
You've lost the lock.
I'm gonna find it. Alright. This is the last fucking place it was.
No, you traveled too far and moved it too quickly. It'll just glitch out and turn itself invisible.
Ah, bitch.
Oh god. Gene,
Okay,
no.
Diodos, could you right, try go over to stuff and see if you can salvage and open stuff now.
Alright. I'm gonna try the bedroll
Try the
first.
bed. Yeah.
Nope. I still cannot salvage it. Let me try to damage it. Oh, still immortal.
Right. Is there a second tier 5 that's still bugging it all out?
Should be. There was another tier 5 I found. Shred over. Nope. Where the fuck? Where's the entrance again? There's dude.
If you scroll wheel backwards while moving, it'll turn your travel speed down. You have to hold right click while you're doing it. Yeah. Hold right click and scroll back. Better. There you go.
Alright. Any of these tier 5s up here?
Tier 2. They're meshing into each other. Well done.
Yeah.
God, I probably
Yo,
should put
come
this
up
name
here
also.
to Russell's room.
Alright, I'm coming.
Is that Russell's room?
Yeah, he's like the guard of the base. It's like
Why?
a security guard of the base. I don't know, cause he's good at PvP, I guess.
Yeah, but
There's no tactical fucking. That's like only good if you had sentries in there.
We have a humanoid sentry.
I mean, I just have that as my if I'm getting raided, fill all the hallways with tier 5 lockers.
Yeah, they can't appreciate. Oh god.
I mean, to be fair, if you place stuff in your hallways, it's indestructible right now. So
Oh no, it's gotta block our movement. Oh, I'm here.
Check them if they're tier 5.
I can't see. I can't open them.
just move one of them up and move it back down again.
T2.
What does that say?
T1. Move it down. And T1. We good. This one is good. Can you move it down? Okay, yeah, nice. Alright, where do we go? Go down, okay.
You can press Q and E while in the editor, I think, to move up and down. Oh no, not sorry, just Q to go down. I don't know. Does that even work? Oh no, Q changes the thing. Never mind. That's just limited to the actual game editor.
It's too fucking dark.
Yeah, I
Fine.
should have made them a lot more visible. The actual tiers. One.
Alright, that is it for now. The investigation will continue by Gene, and we shall see what happens to the base.